In this video, we are going to discuss about solution of drawback of range function. To know solution of disadvantage of range function, we should be first aware of iterables, iterator and generator function which use yield keyword to implement its functionality.
In Python, all sequence of the following things such as list, tuple and string and some container, dictionary, set and file object are like your staircase. You can visit each element one by one. This is called iterables.
Let's see ladder.
You will climb ladder by step one by one till you reach the top. Or another way is you can take 2 or 3 steps more depending upon the length of the your legs. Limit of climbing is depending upon the length of your legs. Similarly, in programming, limit is memory. Let's take an example of my list which consists of the data shown on your screen. Let's iterate over it using range function. Length of the my list, then after that we have to print the data of the my list. Let's run it now. You can check the output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's print in one line using end. Here you can see that the small list we have which can be stored in memory without any problem, but if data is larger, your computer will not able to store. But the range function limitation is that this range function generate entire sequence in the memory which can be consume lot of memory for the long range. This leads to give birth to the generated function. Python generated function is a special type of function that generate a sequence of value without storing all of them at once in a memory. Syntax of the generated function is similar to as a normal function, but instead of return it uses yield keyword, which we will discuss in our upcoming videos.